Hello everyone. I hope everyone is taking good care of themselves and their families. Alright, so today we are going to talk about an exciting feature of Excel called as the flash fill. So flash fill is basically a way in which Excel helps us to fill up information in a particular column based on what you fill up in the first cell of that column or that range. Okay, so we have this Excel sheet in front of us where we have the company name in column A and we have the city name in the column B, and in column C we want to have both of these together. Okay, I want it in a format or in a manner which states the company name, then I want the comma, then a space, and then I want the city name. Okay. One way of doing this is using a formula. You can use the text join formula or the concatenate formula, but flash fill will do this for you without you needing to enter any kind of formula. So no formula involved in flash fill. Okay, so we will see. Let's say as we said, this information I'm going to fill up here: the company name, the cracker box, comma, space, Delhi. So this is what I want, and I want all other details to be same as what I have entered here. For that, I'm going to use the flash fill option. So for that, I go to home tab, I go into editing, and here I click on this arrow, and at the bottom I see this option flash fill automatically fills in value. So I fill up. Okay, that is the beauty of flash fill. Okay, now there is another easier option of doing flash fill. Okay, so you have filled up your details in your first cell, you come on to your next cell and press on your keyboard Control plus E. Okay, I am going to press now Control plus E, and you see, very easy. All the details, all the company names, all the city names have come together. Same way, we are going to use flash fill here. We have the full name and we want the first name. So I'm going to enter John. I come down and I press on my keyboard Control E. That's it. Automatically, all the information has come. Yes. Now I press V dot. I enter. Then I press Control E. Automatic. Then I type in the surname, the last name, and I press Control E. Automatically all details come down. Right? So this is how you can fill up all the information in a matter of seconds. Right? So very useful function, flash fill, but at the same time there are a few limitations for the use of flash fill. So before you use flash fill, you need to be aware of these limitations as well. The first limitation for flash fill is that it is based on what you enter, what you actually type in this first cell. Okay, so if you fill up all your details, okay, you have done flash fill already for this column, and then you come to know that the company's name is entered wrong over here. Maybe the company's name was, instead of the cracker box, we have the name as the cracker box ltd limited, and now you enter, you see there is no change here. Okay, so if you make any changes, then the flash fill is not going to be able to pick them up. Okay, Similarly, the second limitation is that the flash fill is dependent on the data that is available on left hand side. So for flash fill to work, you necessarily need to have the data on the left hand side. Okay, so for example, we have this name John, which, and we entered the rest of the names using flash fill. Now let's say I go to another row down here, okay, and I again enter John, and now I'm expecting all those rest of the names to come under John, and I press Control E. Okay, so now I get this error. We looked at all the data next to your selection and didn't see a pattern for filling in values for you. So as you see, since there is no data on the left hand side, no values can be filled in Flash. Okay, so keep these two limitations in your mind while you're working on flash fill, but otherwise flash fill is a very good option to fill up large amount of data in less amount of time. So thank you very much. I hope everyone liked this video about flash fill option. Okay, please let me know what other topics you want me to cover. I will be sharing those videos very soon as well. Thank you.